Okay. Hello everyone, this is London on way back home from Hammersmith. Now it's rainy days, all days, and so much traffic. But
So hello fans.
hello fans.
We're a bit shy today.
I'm a bit shy today. Hello. Hello, fancy.
Rainy day.
Yes. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Lily wants to play.
Oh.
So this is going to, we just pass, now we're going towards Chiswick roundabout, and still pouring rain. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go home and eat.
Donuts.
No, not donuts.
No.
Don't eat donuts, okay? It's bad for you. Sometimes, okay. What church is that?
I am not sure. Isn't
Okay.
this? Oh, I thought it was still at this corner.
No,
No,
it's
it's
far
before,
away.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Still basically Hammersmith, isn't it?
Not even at the other side is a Chiswick.
Yeah.
So we are in about behind at the back of Chiswick High Street.
Yeah.
Okay, you can just push it.